Okay, 30 seconds more. Okay, done? Yeah? Had a chance to look at everything? No? No? Okay, doesn't matter, inshallah. No worries. We don't have much time because we have to break up for Dhuhr, you see. We have to get ready for Dhuhr, so we have to move ahead quite quickly. Okay, so let's go through these. The first verse, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Say, are those who know and those who do not know, are they equal? What do you think? What's the answer to these questions? What's the kind of knowledge that's being referred to in this verse, and what are some of the takeaway points that we can say about knowledge and its people? Yeah? What's the context? You looked at the context, look at the verse itself. Should we start from this table? Yeah, or did you want to say something? Did anybody want to say something? If you, yeah, please, yeah.
The first one is talking about the knowledge here is about Allah.
Allah, okay.
The person who stands up and praises and likes.
Yeah, okay. So you guys listening? So Brother Wazir is saying that the knowledge is talking about is?
Specifically about Allah, knowing knowledge of Allah.
Knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, that's one answer. That's one answer.
The question is relevant to any area of knowledge. The question are those who know knowledge. Because in any area of knowledge, other than Allah, the people who know will always be the superior one.
Okay.
The question, I'm speaking of the question.
Yeah, possibly. Okay, that's one answer. Okay, yeah. Anybody else?
I just feel as though this knowledge affects the heart, is a knowledge that affects the heart, Iman. So it's a knowledge that is kind of tied to that aspect of it. Because you know this, you behave well, as a result of knowing these things.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. So you guys heard over here, yeah? So both of them are saying that the knowledge that is being referred to here is the knowledge that affects the hearts, the sister was saying. And Halima was saying that it's the knowledge that leads you to prayer. Right? That you know the importance of night prayer. So that's what they're saying, right? Brother Wazir was saying it's a general knowledge. This statement itself, he means. He's saying he thinks that it means it's a general.
I'm speaking specifically in the context of the ayah.
Yeah.
Speaking about knowledge of Allah.
Okay. Right. Okay, so there's agreement then. Right? Sorry?
We agree with them.
You agree with them? Okay, good.
We said that the knowledge will take you to obedience, right?
The knowledge will take you to obedience. Yeah, okay. Yes, sister, yes.
Alright, so we have in the verse above it, right? We have another comparison where they speak about people who commit shirk versus people who are obedient and they prostrate and stuff. To me, what is interesting is that in order to know not to commit shirk, you have to have knowledge.
Sure, okay. So how does that come from this verse?
For this one here,
Yeah. Okay, because the question is to do with this verse, you see.
like it's such a huge, there's such a huge difference from people who know compared to people who do not know.
Yeah.
Since you don't know, you cannot be on the right path.
Yeah, sure. That's it. Yeah, that's one of the takeaways. Yeah, that's a takeaway, that there's a huge difference between those who don't know and those who know. Yeah, okay. Anything else? Any interesting insights at all from this table? Or this table, or we've had that?
The peak of knowledge is knowing who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is. All knowledge fundamentally will lead you to that. The thing I've the pyramid or the peak of knowledge is knowing Allah. So for someone who would attain this level of knowledge, he wouldn't really go to sleep at night. He wouldn't rest easy knowing that he had missed Qiyam al-Layl.
Yeah, yeah.
So this knowledge that will lead you towards knowing Allah for who He truly is, having the fear of Allah, having this sort of proactive nature in
Yeah,
Islam.
yeah. So guys, so look at the verse, right? Absolutely true. Amman huwa qanitun ana al-layli, right? Is the one who spends his nights or spends or devoutly worships Allah throughout the night, prostrating sajidan wa qa'iman, and standing yahdharu al-akhirata, fearing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, wa yarju rahmata rabbih, and hoping for the mercy of Allah, right? And then there's an omission in the verse, right? Allah says, He asks a question and He doesn't answer, right? Or doesn't ask the rest of the question. But the understanding is this person equal to the one who does not do this? So are those who spend the nights in prayer, are those who spend the nights in prayer prostrating their heads in the ground, standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, fearing the akhirah, hoping for Allah's mercy, are those equal to those who don't do that? It's a rhetorical question. And then Allah asks, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know? So yes, so the knowledge that's being described here is what you guys said. Absolutely, the knowledge that is here. You know, one thing which is very important to remember, this is in terms of usul al-tafsir. It's important to know this, that the Quran, what it very often does, is it takes vocabulary from Arabic and it claims it for itself. And it redefines it. Right? So, I'll give you an example. Zakah, what does it mean to you guys? What does zakah mean? Nobody know? Huh? Sorry? Charity, okay, charity, the obligatory charity, right? The 2.5%, yeah, on the wealth.
Zakah means it has two meanings for me.
Sorry?
It has two meanings. One
Okay.
to grow,
Yeah.
and one to purify.
Okay. Yeah? Purify. So the original, so you know, when the Quran talks about zakah, what we understand is that what you're saying, right? Zakah. Generally, when the Quran talks about zakah. But it came from these two meanings, right? Now, it doesn't mean that it just picked up a word from anywhere and just plucked it out and just said, we'll use it for zakah. Of course, it has a relationship with the original meaning, right? But what the Quran, when it says zakah, we understand it to mean this particular form of ibadah. Right? But yes, this form of ibadah then leads to purity and growth. Absolutely. When we say salah, when we say hajj, what does hajj mean? Hajj means to do qasd. It means to aim for something, right? So but the Quran, when it takes the vocabulary, it redefines it. Same with salah, right? Salah meant something, you know. It meant something, and then it comes and claims it. Same with even, you know, jihad and all these other words, right? The Quran claims vocabulary for itself, right? And so what you've got to do when you're coming to the Quran, you've got to interpret you've got to look at what the Quran is saying in its own terms. Here, when the Quran is talking about those who know and those who don't know, is talking about this specific type of knowledge. This specific type of knowledge which leads you to this state inside your heart. That leads you to want to, so that's a huge knowledge, right? That those people that spend their nights in prayer, you know, what do you think might drive somebody to do that? Right? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't do this, right? I don't do this. I'd like to, you know, and I'll be honest with you guys, right? I don't, right? But I would love to, and this is one of my plans. I always, when I make a plan for myself, I want to say, I want to pray Tahajjud prayer. But I rarely get around to it, right? But it's because I don't have knowledge, right? I don't have that. Okay, I can speak to you here, but do I have that knowledge? No, I don't. Right? Because I'm not doing that. So what is that knowledge that makes me, and where does it come from? Where does it come from? What do you guys think? Huh?
If we go back to the Quran, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned or the attribute of the servants, one of them, وَالَّذِينَ يَبِتُونَ رَبِّهِمْ سُجُودًا وَقِيَامًا. Allah mentions specifically about the servants who stand and pray.
Yeah. Yeah.
You come back to the very ayah.
This one?
It gives us a different understanding to the level of the individual who performing ibadah, one of the attributes of the servants of Allah.
How are you linking the two? Sorry, I didn't understand. How are you linking the two? What was your point? Sorry.
How do you link them?
No, when you go back to the verse in Surah Al-Quran, in which the tafsir would have made mention that Allah lists the attributes of the servants of Allah.
Yeah.
And one of those was in the
Is
ayah
this
connected to that.
is this right? Is that what you're saying? So you're just connecting two verses together. You're saying that one of the characteristics of those who are servants of Allah is this. Okay. Yes.
If I'm to just refer back to the question you were asking,
Yes.
where does this knowledge come from?
Yeah.
Lead someone to pray something that had and to be so connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I believe it goes back to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says at the end of Surah Al-Zumar, وَمَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ.
Mm-hmm.
They do not estimate Allah as He should be estimated.
Mm-hmm.
As He should be truly understood.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps that leads us to the other ayah that says, إِنَّمَا يَخْشَى اللَّهَ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ الْعُلَمَاءُ.
Mm-hmm.
And truly those who fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are those who have true knowledge.
Yeah.
And interestingly, I was reading something by one of the Egyptian scholars, Radib al-Sarjani, concerning khushu'. Someone asked him the question, why is it that I enter salah and then my thoughts are all over the place? I'm thinking about all sorts of things, remembering things I have forgotten all day long. And I can't really focus on the salah. And his response was the same ayah, وَمَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ.